So in the Docker Hub, there was a Hello World repository, image. So it has pulled if that particular image, and what it did, it pulled the latest version of that image, because we have not specified any version. So it has pulled it. Pulled is complete. This is the full ID, and this is the digest ID. Now the status is it has completed. Okay, so that showed that our this Docker is running perfectly. Correct. Now you can see here, like just type in Docker ps. Sorry, we have to do it with sudo. Correct. So right now there is no container, because the Docker one that we saw, we have exited it. We can create any container out of it, and then we can run. So we'll check these things in our next lecture. Right now you can just practice how to install Docker on your particular system.